Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of luxury wooden tech accessories project design ideas from workshop waste or scrap for high profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Scaling profits by designing luxury wooden tech accessories from repurposed workshop waste is an innovative approach that combines sustainability with high-margin market opportunities, effectively bridging the gap between workshop floor debris and luxury tech markets. In an age where sustainability is not just a trend, but a vital ethos guiding consumer choices, the transformation of wooden offcuts into elegant, minimalist tech accessories like charging docks and sleek laptop stands presents a compelling business model. This process begins with the insightful recognition of the untapped potential lying within the remnants of a workshop. The leftover wood that, once considered waste, can be crafted into desirable products that appeal to a burgeoning market of environmentally conscious consumers. To embark on this journey, artisans must first develop a clear vision of how to transform these raw materials into aesthetically pleasing yet functional designs. The key is to embrace the unique characteristics of each piece of repurposed wood. The irregularities, knots, and color variations tell a story of their own and provide a distinct identity to each accessory. By marrying raw, organic textures with clean, geometric precision, artisans can create tech accessories that not only serve practical purposes, but also elevate the workspace environment. The blend of natural aesthetics with modern design serves to attract a demographic that appreciates both luxury and sustainability. As more consumers seek out products that reflect their values, the opportunity to introduce reclaimed timber into the high-end tech accessories market becomes increasingly compelling. Crafting these luxury items requires a thoughtful design process that takes into account both the technical specifications of the tech being used and the desired aesthetic appeal. For instance, a charging dock must be functional yet visually appealing, capable of accommodating various devices while providing a seamless user experience. By using offcuts that would ordinarily go to waste, artisans can create bespoke solutions tailored to individual needs. This customization aspect can position crafted accessories as unique offerings in a saturated market, allowing artisans to command premium prices. Moreover, the uniqueness of each piece due to the use of reclaimed timber adds to its value, as consumers are often willing to pay more for one-of-a-kind items that are not mass-produced. The production process also plays a significant role in the finished product's marketability. Artisans are encouraged to leverage advanced woodworking techniques alongside traditional craftsmanship to ensure that their products meet the expectations of the luxury market. Precision is essential in the creation of charging docks and laptop stands. Every angle, height, and surface should reflect meticulous attention to detail. Utilizing tools such as CNC machines allows for precision cutting while preserving the organic feel of the wood. This harmonious balance between technology and craftsmanship not only enhances the quality of the product, but also can streamline production, permitting artisans to scale their businesses effectively without sacrificing aesthetics or integrity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Finishing techniques are equally important in elevating these tech accessories from basic wooden items to luxurious decor pieces. Selecting the right finish, be it natural oils, waxes, or eco-friendly stains, can accentuate the wood's natural beauty while providing a protective layer against wear and tear. Artisans might consider employing techniques that highlight the grain patterns or unique features of each piece, ensuring that consumers can appreciate the raw beauty inherent in reclaimed materials. By emphasizing texture and tone, these finishes transform workshop waste into products that embody sophistication and quality, making them attractive to a discerning clientele willing to invest in premium goods. Marketing these luxury wooden tech accessories is where the ethos of sustainability can be effectively communicated to the target audience. Artisans should embrace storytelling as a powerful tool, conveying the journey of each piece from workshop scrap to a refined luxury item. Sharing the narrative not only educates potential consumers about the benefits of reclaimed wood, but also fosters an emotional connection to the product. This connection can be enhanced through visuals, showcasing the transformation of raw material into finished accessories through engaging videos and photographs, further embellishing the storytelling aspect. Social media platforms, e-commerce websites, and artisanal marketplaces can serve as effective channels for reaching consumers who are inclined to support brands that align with their values of sustainability and craftsmanship. Additionally, partnerships with eco-conscious brands or tech startups can enhance market visibility, aligning the wooden tech accessories with companies that share a commitment to sustainability. Collaborative marketing campaigns can provide access to broader audiences, catering to consumers who prioritize both functionality and ethical considerations in their purchasing decisions. Such alliances can serve to establish credibility and attract customers particularly interested in supporting brands with a purpose. Another aspect vital to scaling profits in this venture is understanding and leveraging market trends within the tech industry. As technology continues to evolve, so do the accessories that accompany it. Staying informed about the latest tech products and consumer preferences enables artisans to innovate continually. Customization could extend beyond mere design. For instance, offering personalized engraving options or integrating additional features, such as wireless charging capabilities, can make these wooden accessories even more appealing to tech-savvy consumers. By keeping abreast of trends and finding ways to enhance their offerings, artisans can remain competitive and responsive to changing customer demands. Moreover, the emphasis on high-margin luxury markets is essential. As it positions these products as something more than mere accessories, they become statements of personal identity and lifestyle choices. As the tech industry trends towards minimalism and functionality, aligning luxury, wooden accessories with these themes helps artisans tap into a demographic willing to invest in items characterized by thoughtful design and premium quality. Each product serves not only to fulfill a need, but also to reflect the values and aesthetic preferences of its owner, creating a sense of exclusivity and personal connection. In the practice of sculpting wooden offcuts into minimalist luxury tech accessories exemplifies how creativity can drive profitable business ventures in the realm of sustainable living. By recognizing the value in workshop waste, employing thoughtful design, mastering woodworking techniques, and focusing on intentional finishes, artisans can offer high-margin products that resonate with modern consumers. The fusion of organic textures with geometric precision not only elevates the aesthetic appeal, but also creates meaningful connections between the product, its maker, and its owner. This innovative approach proves that reclaimed timber, when reimagined as essential, luxury hardware for contemporary workspaces, can indeed command premium prices and create viable income opportunities, inspiring a movement toward responsible consumption and artisanal craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked luxury, wooden tech accessories project design ideas from workshop waste or scrap for high profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.